Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world has silently leaped 20 years into the future. No warning, no announcement, no countdown. Only a quiet vibration from your phone and a message that would change everything. It was January 14th, 2026. Aaron, a young man living in a busy city, sat on his rooftop late at night. The sky was calm. The world was asleep. And then, his phone buzzed. He looked at the screen and frowned. A notification he had never seen before. Quantum internet mode activated globally. At first, he laughed. Maybe it was another prank, another fake tech update. But curiosity pulled him in. Aaron tapped on a random 5 GB file and watched it download in less than half a second. His eyes widened. His mind froze. The world just changed. Within minutes, every corner of the planet reacted. Social media erupted. People recorded their screens in disbelief. Internet speed tests broke records. News outlets struggled to understand what had happened. The old world of slow connections and buffering screens had vanished overnight. For the first time, humanity was experiencing the power of quantum internet, a system that didn't rely on cables, signals, or electricity the way we knew it. Instead of sending data through wires, it teleported information using quantum entanglement. No delay, no distance, no waiting. It was as if data traveled at the speed of thought. Zero latency, zero hacking, zero data loss, almost unlimited speed. And as the sun rose the next morning, people stepped into a completely different world. Students attended fully immersive VR classes without any lag. Doctors performed remote surgeries from thousands of miles away with perfect precision. Gamers played with opponents across continents at absolute zero ping. Online meetings became as real as sitting face. Aaron sat in front of his old laptop, watching it behave like a futuristic supermachine, not because the laptop upgraded, but because the world's network did. But with progress came chaos. Old security systems collapsed instantly. Banks relying on outdated servers failed. Companies using traditional internet found themselves unable to compete. Overnight, millions of digital structures built over decades became obsolete. The world had jumped forward too fast. And not everyone landed safely. Governments scrambled to rebuild cybersecurity. Corporations rushed to upgrade their systems. People struggled to understand what quantum entanglement even was. But one thing was clear. Humanity had crossed a line into a new age. That night, Aaron stood on the same rooftop, the place where everything began. He watched the glowing sky, knowing he was living in a rewritten reality. The quantum internet didn't just speed up the world. It transformed it. It connected humanity in a way never seen before. 2026 became the year information moved faster than light. The year the digital world and the human mind began to sync. The year the future didn't knock. It broke the door open. And as Aaron whispered to himself, he realized something deeper. This is only the beginning. Because once the quantum internet arrived, the future wasn't coming. It was already here.